Hi, I'm Heather McTaggart with Century 21 In Studio Realty. Today we're hanging out with Jenny Hanley at the Hanley Institute in Flesherton. Jenny, tell us a little bit about what you do.
So I run a youth center in Flesherton. It's for grades 7 and up, most of our programs. We have different programs every night of the week, from after school programs to tutoring clubs, chess clubs, D&D, camera clubs, boys clubs, girls clubs. The point of having so many different programs is because I want every kid to find their people. So by running different programs, kids can come in, meet different people, their people, and form healthy relationships. We really want kids to be prepared when they go into high school. So we talk so openly about sex, suicide, drugs and alcohol, self-esteem, because at the end of the day, before they get to high school, I want them to have all the tools in their tool belt that whenever they go to high school, they have a good idea what they're gonna get into and what could happen, and that we're always here for resources and support.
What night do you run your programs?
So we run programs every night after school, usually around 3:30. They start till about 5:30, except for after school programs and our Friday night clubs. They run from 6 to 8. Our programs are all free for every kid that walks through the door, because we never want a kid to feel that they can't come because of money situation, financial. So everything we run off of is donations, and we have gotten grants from Community Foundation's Grey Bruce.
If people want to support your programs by way of donation or volunteering, how can they reach out to you?
So they can reach out. They can go to thehanleyinstitute@gmail.com to send me an email, or www.thehanleyinstitute.ca, and they can connect me through that way. You can also, my phone number is on the website. We are also a charitable organization, so whenever you donate money, you will get a charitable receipt.
I love coming to the Hanley because Jenny gives us so many opportunities in the community, and we get to do so much to help the community and open up and get to know so many more people than we would normally know. And we do so many great volunteer experiences, and it's so fun coming here.
My name is Maddie, and I've been coming to the Hanley for about 2.5 years now, and I'm just so proud of Jenny because she's done everything to put this place together, and we have so many great opportunities to volunteer, and there's so many great programs that she runs, and it's all about mental health and taking care of the youth, and honestly it just keeps us out of trouble, and it's a really great place to come and learn, and there's so many opportunities we can do here.
My name's LJ. I started coming here about 2.5 years too. Maddie actually introduced me to this place. And ever since, I guess Jenny, I guess you could say she's like second mom to me. If I'm not at my house, I'm always with Jenny. And it's just a good place to learn, talk about things that you can't really talk about to your parents, or lots of mental health things like Jenny always, it's an open free zone, so whatever you want to talk about, it doesn't matter. Things that could be uncomfortable with your teacher, or your parents, your siblings, your whatever. And yeah, Jenny is always there for you no matter what. Even if you did something bad, she's gonna help you, she's gonna understand. And yeah, Jenny's awesome.
So I'm really grateful, and everybody else is, because Jenny is a great person, and she's always there for you if you need her. She'll get you what you need. We have a closet because some kids don't have the opportunity, and she has that closet there so we all can have clothes. And she always has food, so if we don't get to eat at home, there's always food here that we can have. And we're all just super grateful, because if it wasn't for her, this place wouldn't be here, and we wouldn't be able to come and have fun after school.
I'm Laura Artabello. I'm a volunteer here at the Hanley Institute. I've met Jenny in 2018, and I've been here ever since. Watch her grow, watch this place become what it is. It's a youth center. It was an old church. With so much effort, primarily by Miss Jenny, it has evolved to such a success. It's wonderful that the kids have a place to go. They call it their own, they call it their home. They respect it, they play, they learn so much. I moved up here from the city and recognized right away there's nothing here for young people, especially after school. So what Jenny has done and evolved is just nothing less than a miracle for this place, rural. community, the kids, and I have to say, as a retiree, I just love being around them because they're a bunch of characters and they're fun and they're all good. And you know what I've learned most important? There's no bad kids. It's just how they react and where they go. So it's been great being part of it. I hope to be here for a long time.